what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. As you can tell by the title of this video, I did get my car wrapped and I'm super excited to be sharing this with you guys. I am actually gonna go pick up my car right now and I haven't seen it. So I basically dropped it off last week and I asked them not to send me any pictures, videos, or anything like that. I really want to be surprised. So you guys are gonna see my genuine reaction because I haven't seen it. So I can't wait. I've been super anxious and I've been wanting to ask them if they can send me a picture, but I just keep telling myself it's worth the wait. I'm actually getting my wrap done by Sugarcoat Innovations. This is their Instagram page right here. They do really good work and they don't only do wraps. I believe they do like bodywork, framework, paint and wraps. They do a lot of things. So if you guys need any work done, hit them up. They are here in LA. And yeah, I actually did see their work firsthand because my friend Subu actually got his car wrapped there, the yellow WRX. I don't know if you guys remember it, but this is it, and they honestly did a really good job on his car. I did see it at Subiefest. I don't know if you guys did. Any work that you guys need to get done to your cars, hit them up. I highly recommend them. They're super friendly, super sweet people. The color that I did go with matches my personality. I don't know how to describe it. I just feel like it does. I was gonna go with a different color. I had like 3 on my list that I was like debating on, but the other 2 colors that I had in mind, I feel like I would get bored of them. So I'd rather pick something that I won't get tired of. So yeah, that's why I chose this color. It is a tech wrap color if you guys are interested, and I'll tell you guys the color. Well, I'll write it down below, but I won't tell you guys right now because then you're gonna know what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick it up right now and I'll include some clips for you guys and I'll do a little cinematics at the end. But I hope you guys love the color as much as I do. And yeah. I'm at Sugarcoat picking up my car. I'm about to roll up the door. I'm excited. Oh my god, it's so nice. Dude, it looks like paint. Oh my god. Dude, it looks so good.
Yeah, looks crazy.
It looks sick. I love it. Alright, you guys ready? You guys ready to see? So I am at Sugarcoat, and this is Juan, and that's Juan.
Hey, how you doing?
They are the owners of Sugarcoat, and I just picked up my car. It looks so nice. It looks super good, as you guys can tell. Yeah, I look. No, it looks good up close too. Was it hard wrapping my car?
The hardest part would be either the trunk, wing, or the front bumper.
Yeah.
If you have the various side skirts, it will definitely be a challenge as well. As those side skirts take probably like a good 2 hours. You definitely have to be very skilled to install this material. You know, if it is your first time using this material, you will have some challenges, as you know, it is very tacky, and if you don't have that experience, you will find yourself in this little hole where, you know, it won't come out as good as you'd like it to. So I'd say if you do want to use this wrap, you know, have in mind that you will have to at least have some experience behind you. You want to post everything as soon as you do each panel. You want to take the right precautions. You know, you don't want your wrap failing on you probably a couple months in. I'd say another good thing to do, especially on like a very shiny wrap like this, would be to get it ceramic coated. And you also have to keep in mind that you can't use specific chemicals, as they will burn through your wrap, and it will usually fall on material error, when in reality it could be just, you know, the customer's fault. But you definitely have to keep those things in mind.
So we aim for the quality of the wrap and also the longevity of the wrap. We want the customer to be happy overall and have a car that they're proud of. We don't want the car coming back with peeled corners and issues like that. None of that. We do take in some cars that are from other shops, and we have to fix these issues, and it's not fun to peel off and redo them. Overall, we just want to make the customer happy with what they pay for.
Alrighty guys, so we have reached the end of my video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys love this video. I did put a lot of effort into this one, and I hope you guys love my wrap too. I'm honestly so in love with it. I keep on falling in love with it every single day, and I just love the way it looks in the sunlight. It's such a nice color. It's like a nice green, very light. It is a tech wrap color, and it's the mossy green. If you guys are interested in wrapping your car that color, that's the name of it. I'll link it down below too. But yes, I'm honestly super happy, and another thank you to Sugarcoat once again. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram, and if you guys want to get your car wrapped, hit them up. Honestly, they did an amazing job. The details on the wrap is just amazing. All the edges, everything's tucked properly. They did such a good job. Make sure you guys follow them and hit them up if you guys want to get your car wrapped. But yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at STILIZ. Like, comment, share, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys at Subiefest, hopefully. If you guys see me, please say hi. I'm really friendly, I promise. But yes, I will catch you guys on the next one.